Hi, it's Patrick with E38. In this video, I'll demonstrate the Emlid Reach RS4 Pro's augmented reality stakeout feature, as well as the visual capture best practices. When staking out with the RS4 Pro, we'll have all the same options as every other Emlid Reach when it comes to the stakeout view, with the addition of the AR button in the bottom left corner of the map view. Tapping that will change the view to the RS4 Pro's camera, with your stakeout point viewable in 3D space. As you approach that point within 10 feet or so, the view will switch to the RS4 Pro's downward-facing camera to get the rover pull point on your stakeout point. In these conditions, it made finding the stake tag under snow simple and easy to find. Now let's calculate a point with the new visual capture feature. Similar to the AR stakeout feature, we'll see the additional icon in the bottom left corner of the map view when in the point measurement window. Tapping it will again give you the view of the RS4 Pro's camera. For best results, we'll focus the targeting square on the subject we would like to measure a point on before beginning the recording. We'll want to keep our subject within the square brackets while we slowly move around the object. It's recommended to travel in an arc around the subject of 90 degrees or more for around 30 seconds or more to help maximize the accuracy of the photogrammetry taking place. Once we have completed the capture, tapping the stop recording button will begin the scene processing. This processing relies on your phone or tablet's processing power. For this example, I'm using an iPhone 16 Pro, and this scene processed in just over a minute. Once processed, we are presented with a series of photos from the capture where we can calculate and refine a point by making adjustments where necessary based on the point presented in each photo. When we're satisfied, tapping the Verify Position button will give an overview of the calculated point, and the pictures with adjustments will be identified with a check mark. Saving the new point will then prompt you for a name, code, and description before saving it to the project. Visual capture accuracy is rated to 3 to 5 centimeters. When compared to normal RTK points we collected on these subjects, we fell into that range or better. If you're outside of that tolerance, there's a chance the calculated point may not have been targeted very well in the field. In those instances, we can calculate the point again to verify if a mistake was made or not. Currently, to recalculate a point, it needs to be done on the device that was used during the initial collection. Navigate to the list of points in the Objects menu. There we will see the captured scenes listed and can select which scene we'd like to process another point from. There we can run through the same calculation process as we did in the field. Now with the newly calculated point, we fall just inside that 5 centimeter tolerance. This has been Patrick with E38 Survey Solutions. Thanks for watching.